Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to import products from any website to Shopify store. So let's get started. So here we are in Shopify, and what we're gonna do first is that we need an app, and it's called Robo right here. Click on or type in Robo, and then you would see the Robo product importer, and then you want to click on that. Or if you can find it there, then you can just go click on type on Robo right there, click on Shopify App Store, and then the same thing, you'd still be able to find a Robo product importer, and then you want to click on that, and then you would be redirected right here, and you want to click on install. And then once you're done, you want to wait for this one to load right here until it is installed into your Shopify. And now let's click install. And as you can see, it will now be installed right here. And from here, as you can see, there is a 3-day free trial, but that is you will get $6 billed every 30 days right here, or every month. So if you want to do this, then you can just click on approve right here, and then it would be redirecting you into the Robo product importer app. And the first thing that you would do right here is you can click on get extension here. And then from here, you can click on add to Chrome and click on add extension. And then after that, after it has been added into your browser, you want to click on the extensions right here, and you want to make sure that your Robo product importer is pinned. So you want to click on the pinned icon right there. And now that is set up, then all that's left is visit a product details page. So you want to go into the website that you want to import products from. In my case, I'll just go for Amazon. And in my case, I'll just go and type this CAPTCHA real quick. All right, there. And then from here, we're gonna go and just select a random product right here, just for an example, maybe this one right here. And now what you want to do is simply go into your Robo extension right here, click on that, click on add to Shopify. And then all that's left is just wait for this one to load, and then this would pop up right here. And as you can see, it has now been imported. And you want to make sure that you read the disclaimer, which is with constantly changing e-commerce site, the product data imported might not be accurate. So you want to double check if the product description, the details of the product is correct right here in Robo. So yeah, it would be your responsibility because Robo already had a disclaimer right here, so you want to make sure that you are taking this into consideration. And then once you're done double checking and everything is good, you can now proceed with the description and see if this one is right or if this is how you want it, and then you can proceed with the images and lastly the import. So once you're done with everything, double checking everything, editing and so on, then now you can click on add product to Shopify to import it into Shopify. But then you will get this message right here, product imported successfully. So once you have this, you don't have anything wrong right here, because if you have anything wrong in the basic info description or in your images, it would say something right here on which one you would need to modify. And now let's go back into our Shopify store, click on products, and then from here we can see that it has now been imported into our Shopify store. And that is basically how you do it right here in Shopify.